Hello and welcome to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I'm Nazia, and today we are talking about the best budget laptop for programming, the HoloWare Gizmos Executive M120 series. Whether you are just getting into coding or you are a seasoned developer, finding the right balance of power, portability, and affordability is the key. Let's explore what makes the M120 the ideal choice for developers. Let's get started. When you are programming, you are often juggling multiple applications and codes running in the background. The laptop you choose should be able to handle these tasks seamlessly. First, consider the processor. Intel Core i5 or i7 processors offers excellent performance for most coding tasks. And if you are on a tighter budget, Intel Core i3 also works well. Another important factor is RAM. At least 8 GB is ideal for general coding. And if you plan to work on more demanding projects, 16 GB or more would be perfect. Storage is just as essential. An NVMe SSD is a must for faster boot times and file transfers, with 512 GB being a great starting point. A 14-inch Full HD display strikes a balance between screen space and portability, while a good keyboard is crucial for long coding sessions. Battery life is often overlooked, but it is crucial for programmers on the go. A laptop with 6 to 8 hours of battery life gives you the flexibility to work anywhere, whether you are in a cafe or traveling for a tech conference. No one likes being tethered to an outlet, and a long-lasting battery is a must for busy professionals. Now let's talk about the HoloWare Gizmos Executive M120 series, a laptop designed specifically for programmers on a budget. Without sacrificing performance and with Intel Core i3, i5 or i7 options, it handles everything from web development to machine learning with ease. It's customizable, allowing you to add up to 32 GB of RAM and 2 terabytes of SSD storage as your needs evolve. In addition to its powerful performance, the M120 series features a 14-inch Full HD IPS display for sharp, vibrant visuals. The keyboard is spill-resistant and backlit, perfect for late-night coding sessions. Plus, with a battery life of up to 8 hours and a weight of just 1.4 kilograms, it's ideal for programmers on the move. The M120 doesn't fall short on connectivity either. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, it ensures fast, stable wireless connections for your cloud-based tools and collaboration platforms. It also offers a range of ports including USB 3.2, HDMI, and Type-C, making it easy to connect external devices like monitors, keyboards, or hard drives. Another standout feature of the M120 is its storage flexibility. Starting with a 512 GB NVMe SSD, you can upgrade to 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte as your project requirements grow. Fast read and write speeds ensure smooth performance even with large code bases or datasets. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the HoloWare Tech Podcast. The HoloWare Gizmos Executive M120 series truly offers the performance you need at an affordable price, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to get into programming without breaking the bank. And for more information or assistance, visit holoware.co or contact us at marketing@holoware.co. Our dedicated team is ready to help you with any inquiries or support you may need. Stay tuned for more tech information and insights, and until next time, this is Nazia signing off. Keep coding, stay curious, and continue innovating. Take care.